that coal is considered one of the dirtiest fossil fuels? According to a 2016 A Clean Coal article approach, it states more than 10 billion tons of carbon dioxide is emitted annually into the atmosphere while burning coal. There's no joke about it, considering coal one of the dirtiest fossil fuels. But are we able to provide energy for the future? Because fossil fuels like coal will run out at some point, and at the consumption we're using it right now, it's rapidly decreasing. For example, according to this pie chart from a Clean Coal Technology Approach article, it states in India, coal makes up 55%, natural gas 10%, hydroelectricity 26%, renewable energy 5%, and nuclear only 3% of India's energy. This statistic and pie chart proves that our coal consumption is increasing, and this is from 2016, which brings a question in mind. Are we able to provide a sustainable planet for our next future generations? Because fossil fuels like coal are considered one of the dirtiest fossil fuels and is one of the biggest threats to our environment. The ideal approach to this situation is clean coal technologies. Clean coal technologies are developing technologies that are deployed at a facility which significantly reduce in air emissions. This technology helps to aim to my main initiative, which is to sustainably manage non-renewable resources. Researchers today are attempting to make more clean coal technologies because it is helping to provide a sustainable future for humans and the ecosystems. And here are 3 reasons how. 1. It benefits the environment. In China, coal is one of the main resources used to provide energy. According to a 2016 A Clean Coal Technology in China article, it states 67% of PM emissions came from coal utilization. However, using the carbon capture storage system, in 2015, clean coal technologies reduced about 42.7% of China's PM emissions. In this synthetic representation, it portrays a life cycle of a carbon capture storage system, a method which China specifically used to clean coal. Firstly, coal is mined and is sent to electricity generation. Next comes in post-combustion. This is where the carbon dioxide gas is separated in the electricity generation. Then comes the pipeline. This is where the CO2 is transported for safe storage. Lastly comes the CO2 EOR, which involves the injection of CO2 in an oil reservoir. This allows to reap for the economic benefits of enhancing oil productions while reducing CO2 emissions. As CO2 emissions decrease, the chances of global warming can decrease, which can provide a sustainable future for humans and the ecosystems, as it can decrease global temperature and prevent habitat destruction. Now, going to my second reason why clean coal technology is helping to provide a sustainable future is because it's attractive to the economy. Growing electricity demands and aging power plants in the future can be a problem. However, clean coal technologies can easily solve this. Clean coal technologies have a possibility to power a plant. They can subplant a real bit of a current plant while holding the steam generating equipment. According to a 2011 Bright Promise Clean Coal Technology article, it states, in addition, a repowered plant can produce 10 to 15% more power than an original plant and extend its lifetime to 20 to 30 years. This can help preserve coal for a longer period of time, which achieves my main initiative, which is to sustainably manage non-renewable resources. Persuade governments and companies to use more clean coal technologies, which can address the coal consumption issue. Powering could turn into an economically attractive alternative, as it doesn't require obtaining for a new site, which provides a sustainable future for ecosystems. Now, going to my third reason why clean coal technology is helping to provide a sustainable future is because it helps to grow economies. Clean coal technologies are very beneficial as it provides positive economic growth by creating job opportunities for people. All non-fossil fuel technologies like renewable, low carbon, or EEE create more jobs per unit than coal and natural gas. According to a 2010 Putting Renewable to Work article, it states aggressive EE measures combined with a 30% RPS target can generate over 4 million equivalent job years by 2030, while increasing nuclear power to 25% and carbon capture and storage to 10% of overall generation in 2030 can yield an additional 500,000 job years. Clean energy can create many domestic jobs, and many of these jobs are guaranteed to stay domestic as they involve construction and installation. This is important because it can help grow economies by attracting people with job opportunities to immigrate to a country. Or it can help the future in which the workforce population is predicted to be low, such as Canada. According to its future graph, you can tell how there's less people in the workforce between ages 15 to 64. The Canadian government can use this method in order to attract people from different countries by providing new and better job opportunities, which could then boost the workforce population in the future. Clean coal technologies are amazing, as you can already tell how it benefits the environment and economy. But to prove that it can help create a sustainable future, let's look into a country that uses clean coal technologies and view a perspective of why using alternative sources are better. According to a 2010 Clean Coal Technology Development in China article, it states coal is responsible for 70% of CO2 emissions. According to this graph, you can tell how there's a massive proportion in coal, which proves that most CO2 emissions come from this type of fossil fuel. However, when the development of clean coal technologies took place in China, there has been many successes. For example, pollution started to decrease. Thus, this portrays that clean coal technologies are beneficial to the environment as they help to provide a sustainable future. And this can be applied worldwide since it's proven to be successful and helpful to our planet. Since pollution is a big issue in today's world, governments and companies can use clean coal technologies to address this problem, which can provide a sustainable future for everyone. According to science teachers from Pre-Service Science Teacher Views of Ways of Reducing Ecological Footprint article, they say one of the main ways of preserving non-renewable energy is using clean coal technologies. Using this alternative energy source is a better sustainable idea. According to the Pre-Service Science Teacher Views of Ways Reducing Ecological Footprint article, it states 34% of choices of pre-service science teachers say using alternative sources, ecological footprints can be reduced. In order to preserve our remaining resources, it's crucial that we reduce our coal consumption by using clean coal technologies. Using resources that can reduce our ecological footprint is a way to achieve sustainability. Therefore, this is how clean coal technology provides a sustainable future for humans and the ecosystems. It benefits the environment as it reduces pollution, which reduces the chances of global warming. It benefits our economy, as it's attractive because it doesn't require for a new obtaining site. It helps our economies by providing job opportunities and boosting workforce population in the future. Clean coal technologies helps to show results and good performances towards the environment according to China. This does how to reduce our ecological footprint. It's our responsibility to preserve and to take care of the world which we all live in. And we can start by developing clean coal technologies, which will soon create a sustainable future for humans and the ecosystems.